Hello student, I, Dr. Anuradha More, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune, welcome you all in the world of microbes. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Pharmaceutical Microbiology. Students, first question came into the mind, that is, what is microbiology? Microbiology, it is the study of microorganisms which are invisible to the naked eyes. This includes bacteria, archaea, viruses, fungi, prions, protozoa, algae, all are collectively known as microbes. Microbes are at the center of all life forms on planet Earth and are the essential building blocks that make living organisms the way they are. These are some examples of microbes: bacteria, viruses, fungi. Students, do you know that all mushrooms are fungi, but not all fungi are mushroom. These are also some microbes: protozoa, algae, archaea, prions. Microbes in the world. Microbes are a part of human from the initial stage of development and play an important role in the functioning of the human body. Microbes plays a crucial role in our lives. In fact, we couldn't live without them, but they could live without us. The diversity and abundance of microbes in our gut is constantly changing depending upon diet and lifestyle. Diversity reflects the variety of different species of microbes. Abundance reflects its important indicator of your personal health. In disease state, the composition of microbes get shifted. Here in this diagram, the gut microbiome in healthy and disease condition is shown. Microbes in the world. Microbes. We know that the microbes are playing various roles. Some fungi and also soil bacteria called decomposers, which break down the dead plants and animals and their waste products into a simple substance called nutrient. Microbes and food. Microbes such as yeast, mold and bacteria are being used for the production of foods and food ingredients. We know that the different fermented products like cheese, yogurt, bread, beer and wine. Major divisions of microbial world. First, medical microbiology. Medical microbiology deals with the study of causative agents of infectious disease in human beings. It deals with etiology, pathogenesis, laboratory diagnosis, treatment, epidemiology, and control of infections. Second, pharmaceutical microbiology, which we are studying in detail. It deals with the study of microorganisms which are responsible for production of antibiotics, enzymes, vaccines, vitamins, and other pharmaceutical substances. It also the study of microorganisms which can contaminate pharmaceutical products, raw materials, manufacturing areas, and foods. Pharmaceutical microbiology also includes the study of microorganisms which are used in treatment of industrial waste material, Ayurvedic plant growth promotion, steroid biotransformation, and biological indicators. Third division of microbial world, that is industrial microbiology. It deals with the study of industrial useful microorganisms in the production of alcoholic beverages, vitamins, amino acids, enzymes, antibiotics, and other drugs. It also includes fermentation technologies or techniques used for production of different compounds. Fourth division is microbial biotechnology. It is the study of molecular and genetic level to produce useful products such as antibiotics, enzymes, and amino acids. And we all know that how much it is important. Fifth division is food microbiology. It deals with the interaction of microorganisms and food in relation to food bioprocessing, food spoilage, foodborne diseases, their prevention, and includes preparation and preservation of food products. The next division is soil microbiology. It is the study of microbial flora and the interaction among the soil microorganisms. Then, agricultural microbiology. It is the study of relationship of microorganisms and crops with an emphasis on the control of plant diseases and improvement of yields. Next is the aquatic microbiology. Aquatic microbiology is the study of microorganisms and their activities in fresh and marine waters, including lakes, rivers, bays, estuaries, and seas. Next is air microbiology. It deals with the role of aerospora in contamination and spoilage of food and dissemination of plant-animal diseases through air. Epidemiology. It is concerned with the monitoring, control, and spread of diseases in communities. Students, microbiology has always been an essential component of pharmacy curriculum. This is because of the relevance of microbiology to pharmaceutical sciences and more specifically to pharmaceutical industry. This course is designed specifically as an introduction to the important topic of pharmaceutical microbiology. Scope of this subject, pharmaceutical microbiology, includes the pharmaceutical biotechnology. It is the logical extension of pharmaceutical microbiology. Microorganisms, its classification, morphology, laboratory cultivation, identification and maintenance, sterilization of pharmaceutical products, equipment, media, immunological preparations, disease, its transmission, diagnosis, control, and immunological test. Learning objectives of subject pharmaceutical microbiology. At the end of this course, the students are able to understand the types and sources of different types of microorganisms that are related to pharmaceutical operations. Students be aware of different techniques for the sterilization of products and the associated components or equipments. Understand what checks and tests can be performed to help manage microbial issues. Identify diseases by performing a diagnostic test.